Today this video a technical indicator is a mathematical pattern derived from historical data used by technical traders or investors to predict future price trends and make trading decisions. It uses a mathematical formula to derive a series of data points from past price, volume, and open interest data. A technical indicator is usually shown graphically and compared with the corresponding price chart for analysis. The mechanics of a technical indicator captures the behavior and sometimes the investor's psychology to provide a clue of future trends of price activity. Technical indicators offered in technical analysis to predict future price movements include cycle volumes, momentum readings, volume patterns, price trends, Bollinger Bands, moving average, Elliott waves, oscillators, and sentiment indicators. Besides providing valuable insight into the price structure, a technical indicator also shows how to reap potential profits from price movements. However, the same price action viewed on an hourly chart below shows a steady downtrend that has accelerated somewhat just within the past several hours. A silver investor interested only in making an intraday trade would likely shy away from buying the precious metal based on the hourly chart price action. Candlestick patterns, which are formed by either a single candlestick or by a succession of 2 or 3 candlesticks, are some of the most widely used technical indicators for identifying potential market reversals or trend change. Doji candlesticks, for example, indicate indecision in a market that may be a signal for an impending trend change or market reversal. The singular characteristic of a doji candlestick is that the opening and closing prices are the same, so that the candlestick body is a flat line. The longer the upper and or lower shadows, or tails, on a doji candlestick, the part of the candlestick that indicates the low to high range for the time period, the stronger the indication of market indecision and potential reversal. The typical doji is the long-legged doji, where price extends about equally in each direction, opening and closing in the middle of the price range for the time period. The appearance of the candlestick gives a clear visual indication of indecision in the market. When a doji like this appears after an extended uptrend or downtrend in a market, it is commonly interpreted as signaling a possible market reversal, a trend change to the opposite direction. The dragonfly doji, when